Where's my scissors? Where's it? Where's my scissors? Where's it? Where's what my scissors? Where's it? Where's 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 my scissors?
Alice, your scissors are on the table over there. Now, can you open the gingerbread box?
Yes. Help me. Help me. I'm not about to open it all. You have to do this, like this. I did it! Look at good in it. Okay.
No.
What?
Not yet, darling. Not yet.
I can do it.
Yes, I know you can, but what do we need before we open it?
I don't know.
What about a mixing bowl?
Yeah. A big one, though.
A big one or a little one?
A big one.
Let's go and look for one, shall we?
We need a big one because we're going to make some lots of gingerbread breads.
Ah, yes. The big pink one.
Yes, that's my favorite color. When I do like this, then I know.
Right, let's just move these forms that Mummy hasn't filled out.
Now, can I cover it?
Yeah, put it in the bowl first though. No. Come and sit down. No, come and sit down and put it in the bowl. Yes, like that. That's a good idea. I don't think you cut a big enough hole.
All of it.
But you need to cut a bigger hole. Can you take the scissors and cut a slightly bigger hole?
Yes.
Cut towards me. No. That's really... Stop. Put your scissors in the hole. Yes, now cut. That's it. Now let go.
It's all dirty, my scissors.
Put your scissors on the table. Hey, relax. It's going to come out. Alice, it's okay, darling. Come on. Alice, Alice,
Okay.
relax, okay?
Yes, I know. I need my big spoon.
You need your apron.
I need a big spoon. The mix.
We've done that 5 minutes ago. Right, should we read the instructions next?
Yes.
Okay. Butter and water.
Butter and water. That's the same thing when we do cookies. When it's Christmas.
Can you sit down?
That's the same.
Sit down. No, you sit down in the chair. You're going to stir. I'm going to get you what you need.
I'm doing this. Look what I did at the bowl. This.
Good. Just keep there and try not to make too big a mess.
I'm not doing a big mess.
Okay. First, it's the water. Sit down.
I can do the water.
Yeah, you sit down properly, please. Can you sit down properly?
Yes, I'm
Now, I'm going to...
Is it hot?
No, pour it in. Now start to mix.
It's like when you do cookies. It's like
Okay, just a minute. Mind your hands.
I can do it.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was hot. Keep mixing.
I thought it was cold. I could do it.
I know you can, but I'm just helping. Yeah, it's coming on nicely now.
Can I lick it when I'm finished?
When you're finished, not before. Not yet, darling.
Now can I lick it, Daddy?
No, not yet, darling.
Okay. I'm licking my fingers.
Alice, I said no.
No, it's not. I'm only licking my fingers. I said I'm only licking my fingers.
Okay.
Now?
No, we're not ready yet.
Oh.
Okay, keep mixing. Mix properly. I know you can, but I'm just giving you...
How I can get this stuff? Then I can lick it.
You lick it now if you like. Okay, that's mixed.
Now all we have to do is to do the gingerbread.
Right. Now, it's gingerbread time.
But the first Mum can help me is you. Because Mummy today is not here.
Okay, turn around.
I can do it.
I think if you did that, you might make a little bit of a mess.
Oh.
But I'm going to get you to help.
I wish I can mix again, and then I can lick it.
Hey.
What?
Okay, sit down.
I heard the sound, the Santa.
Yeah? Should we sit down?
Yes, but I heard that sound, the Santa's coming. That's what I heard.
What song was it? Maybe you could sing it to me.
No, Daddy, it is. No, it. I could do it.
No. We need to roll it now.
I could do it.
What does it look like?
Like a mud, like mud.
Yeah, not like something else.
A castle.
Yeah, sandcastle.
Sandcastle. I could do it too with that.
Yeah?
Yes, I could do it. It's my turn, it's my turn.
Okay. Now you try.
Now it looks like sand. Now it looks like sand.
Now I need your help.
Okay, it's my turn.
Yeah, but not too much. Just a little bit more and then we're ready. Can you eat little bits from the bowl?
Yeah! Daddy, if you want, we have to do a gingerbread for me, a gingerbread for you. I want to do that.
Just a minute, let me read the instructions now.
I do it.
Parchment lined baking sheets. What's a parchment lined baking sheet?
When I could do it, it's very fun.
Okay.
It's not working. I want to move on the ball. No. Okay.
Start at the edge. No, start here. Sit down properly. There. Wait a minute.
Wait.
Have you done it? Good. Yeah.
I did it! Look!
That's like a Christmas angel. Can you do another one?
Yes. Here?
Do it near, really close. No, here. Here. No. Yes.
Have to wait.
Now lift it up.
Yes. Careful. I did it again.
Yeah, you did.
Try that bit.
No.
Why? But it's yummy.
Now do another one here. Do one here. Do it like this. Push down hard and give it a little wobble like this.
No. We have to leave it.
Why do we have to leave it?
And now I have to lift carefully. Carefully.
Oh yes, that's not a bad one.
What?
It's quite a good one. Oops. Whoops.
What's wrong?
No, I think I rescued her.
Who?
The Snow Princess. Got a bit of a chunk taken out of her head. Never mind. Do another one here.
Wait. And now.
Is that a good one?
Yes.
Okay. Move out the way.
But that's not a thing like. Wait. A thing like.
Christmas angel.
Yes, it's not a Christmas thing like. It's not.
Oh, gingerbread man.
It's not like a gingerbread.
No, but I couldn't find the gingerbread man cutter.
Yes.
Can you do another one there for me, please?
Yes.
Give it a little wiggle.
Now leave it.
Now wiggle it like this. Cut away the bits. Now lift it up.
This is a little bit.
Don't eat it all up.
I'm not only eating a little bit.
Now, we have to make more. Just a minute. Move it all together like this. And I do like this.
And when finish, it's going to be my turn.
Yeah, because you're good at that bit, aren't you? And unfortunately my rolling pin is not ideal here.
No.
Right, that should be good enough for you to do a few more angels. Start at the end, not in the middle. Right there. No, right at the end. Yeah, that's a good one. A little wiggle.
I'm doing a little one.
Now lift it up.
Mm.
I got it.
You almost saved the princess.
Now can you do another one?
Yes. Like this.
No, a bit nearer. Just a little bit nearer.
Like this.
Yeah, then we can fit another one in the end. Wiggle.
But one day I have to do not the same one.
Gingerbread man. Sit down properly, darling. Little wiggle.
Okay, now leave it. And now.
Lift up.
Lift up.
And down. And down.
Hey, wait!
And down.
I can do it. There we go.
Okay, I think we've got time for one more.
One more? Okay. Like this?
Turn it upside down.
Like this?
Yes, that's a good idea. Like that.
Yes, like that. Now do a little wiggle. And leave it. And now, ta-da! We did one more, Daddy.
That's a big chunk you just munched.
No.
Okay. Now we can just do one more. That's a big chunky one. That's going to be mine.
And which one's going to be mine? I know. It's going to be this one.
Why?
Because it's smaller than you one. And this one is for Mum. Because that one's medium than mine.
Just try and get one more out of this.
Wait.
And then you can eat all the rest.
Here. Now can you do it with?
Yeah, if you want.
Yes.
Sit down. Right. Okay. So
Now
we put it in the oven. Although it says makes 32 cookies, and we've got 3, 6, 9, 11.
11?
Yeah.
Oh. We did very well, huh, Daddy?
What? Well, I think we ate too much cake mixture, that's our problem. Turn around. or sausage?
I want to cut it with my scissors. And when I'm finished to cut it with my scissors, I'm going to eat it.
Cut it into lots of little bitties.
Yes. I like this thing. Yuffie. You go do the rest.
Maybe we should save a little bit for Mummy.
Yes. This much is for Mum. Okay?
Yeah.
You can do this rest. Here, Daddy. That's for you.
Put it on the block.